new student lecture video from Medical Lab Tech Surat. So on and demand, we will discuss today biomedical waste management. So that is a very much important topic. Likewise, as you know, all of you guys, कि waste are infectious because waste are capable of causing infectious diseases. If we will treat hospital waste, so what will you define? कि what are hospital waste? So hospital waste are nothing but all the waste which are generated, which are released from the hospitals. It may be from office, it may be from hospital kitchen. All the waste which are generated from the hospitals are called as hospital waste. And hospitals, all the hospital samples or the specimen or the waste should be treated equally as infectious. All of you should know about the universal precautions you should use as a healthcare personnel, as a healthcare worker, or on safety disposal of the wastes. So first of all, if we'll see universal precautions, what are the universal precautions you should take as a healthcare professional? First of all, assume all the specimens as well as the samples as infectious. You have to assume that it may be or it may not be, because some of the viruses like hepatitis B virus, आप लोगों का HIV हो गया, most dangerous the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. There are some bacteria, there are some viruses. Mainly we can say that there are many pathogens which can transfer from specimens to the healthy individuals or the healthcare workers or the healthcare personnel. So for that reason, you have to assume all the specimens or the samples are infectious. You should use proper gloves. You should use proper apron when you are working in the hospital. And next is the blood specimens or the body fluids should be placed in a leak-proof container whenever it is transported to the laboratory. अगर ये लेबोरेटरी में कहीं पे भी अगर ये ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा है तो आप लोगों को ध्यान देना चाहिए कि इट शुड बी placed in a leak-proof container where the smears or the body fluids should not be leaked. And the next thing is never pipette through mouth. There are mechanical pipette devices. You should use them. You must use them as a healthcare worker, and you should not pipette through mouth. So these are some universal precautions you should know, you must know. But in this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the waste management, how to treat waste management, how to segregate, how to separate. Apart from that, we will discuss in this video lecture about the waste which is released, which is generated from the hospitals, and how to segregate the waste. There are some color coded bins. You must have seen yellow color bin, black color bin, blue color bin, as well as you must have seen the white color bins, right? You must be thinking that what are the bins used for, why the colors are so different. So in this video lecture, we are going to discuss all about the bins, in which bin you have to dispose some waste, because there are various types of waste. You will be astonished to know that waste are also categorized. Yes, waste are also categorized into 8 groups. So let's discuss about the 8 groups. हमने बात कर लिया कि हॉस्पिटल वेस्ट, हॉस्पिटल से जो भी वेस्ट निकलता है उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं हॉस्पिटल वेस्ट. एक्चुअली ओनली a small fraction of this waste is actually dangerous और आप लोगों का होता है infectious. बट हम लोगों को assume करना पड़ता है कि all the specimens, all the samples are hazardous or infectious. Let's discuss about the types of biomedical waste. Category number 1, first one is the infectious waste. So what are the infectious waste? Biomedical waste that is infectious or contaminated, which can contaminate other healthy individuals. These are called as infectious waste. हाँ, आप लोग वेट कीजिए, हम लोग बात करेंगे कि ये कौन से बिन में यूज होता है. नेक्स्ट आता है सार्प्स. Sharp objects like needles, syringe, lancet, scalpels. So these are sharp objects, and you have to dispose it through leak-proof container, and we'll discuss about that also. This is category number 2, that is sharps. तो सार्प को आप लोग कहाँ पे डिस्पोज करोगे? थर्ड वन इज द पैथोलॉजिकल वेस्ट. सो व्हाट आर द पैथोलॉजिकल वेस्ट? Pathological waste are the body fluids, anatomical body waste, tissues, blood. So these are some of the pathological waste. So this is the category number 3. Next आता है आप लोगों का category number 4, pharmaceutical waste. Pharmaceutical waste, it may include unused drugs, the drugs which are expiring, creams. So these are should be treated as pharmaceutical waste. This is category number 5. And next is the category number 6, radioactive waste. The waste that contain the radioactive materials. Where you must have seen this in nuclear research, nuclear medicines. So radioactive materials are used. So these are called as radioactive materials. Next is the genotoxic waste. Genotoxic waste includes toxic drugs, hazardous toxic waste. So these are some of the genotoxic waste. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी नंबर 7 पे है आप लोगों का केमिकल वेस्ट. All the chemicals which are used, liquid waste from machines, batteries, as well as the disinfectants, these are should be treated as chemical waste. And finally category number 8 पे आप लोगों का general waste. तो general waste में these are non hazardous, so this should be safely disposed in the general dustbin, right? So these are the 8 categories of biomedical waste management, biomedical waste types. You can say it as there are 8 types of waste that are found in hospitals. So according to CPBC यानी सेंट्रल पोल्यूशन बोर्ड कंट्रोल, इसने डेजिग्नेट किया है, इट हैज डेजिग्नेटेड कॉलर कोडेड बीन्स फॉर सेफली डिस्पोजल ऑफ दिस वेस्ट. तो इसीलिए कॉलर बीन आप लोगों का होता है. ये जो आप लोगों का पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड है, इसने डेजिग्नेट किया है कॉलर कोडेड बीन्स सो दैट आप लोग कैसे अच्छे से कौन से कलर के बीन में आप लोगों को कौन सा वेस्ट आप लोगों को डिस्कार्ड करना चाहिए, डिस्पोज करना चाहिए. तो इसीलिए हम लोग बात करेंगे अभी कॉलर कोडेड बीन्स के बारे में. तो हाउ टू, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोग बात कर लेते हैं कि हाउ टू सेग्रीगेट द वेस्ट. तो सेग्रीगेट हम लोग अगर करते हैं तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी येलो कलर बीन्स. यू मस्ट हैव सीन इन द हॉस्पिटल्स, राइट? येलो कलर बीन्स, रेड कलर बीन्स, ब्लू कलर बीन्स. तो दिस जो येलो कलर बीन्स होते हैं उसके अंदर में आप लोग इन्फेक्शियस सब्सटेंसेस, इन्फेक्शियस वेस्ट जो है इसको डिस्कार्ड करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ह्यूमन और एनाटॉमिकल वेस्ट, सॉइल्ड वेस्ट, एक्सपायर्ड मेडिसिन, केमिकल वेस्ट. सो दिस विल बी सेफली डिस्पोज्ड इनटू दिस येलो कलर बीन्स. इसको भूलना नहीं है गाइस. येलो कलर बीन में आप लोगों का होता है इन्फेक्शियस सब्सटेंसेस, soiled substances, chemical waste, soiled waste, anatomical waste. These are should be safely disposed to the yellow color beans. Next we will discuss about the red color bean. Red color, this is the marker of the danger zone. So contaminated waste should be safely disposed to the red color bean or the red color plastic bag. For example, recyclable bags जो contaminated हुआ हो, pipes, catheters. So these are should be safely disposed to the red color beans. नेक्स्ट आता है आप लोगों का व्हाइट कलर. अगर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, दिस आर पंक्चर प्रूफ, लीक प्रूफ कंटेनर्स वेयर वी सेफली डिस्पोज द शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट्स लाइक नीडल्स, सिरिंज, लैंसेट. सो दीज आर स्कैल्पेल्स. These are the sharp objects, like it can contaminate, it can infect, it can be injected, or it can by mistakenly it can be pricked to some healthy individuals where it can transfer hepatitis, HIV, etc. तो इसीलिए it should be safely disposed in a leak proof, puncture proof container. Next is the blue color beans. You must have seen it. So blue color beans में आप लोगों को डालना होगा broken glasswares. For example, जैसे कि आप लोगों का microscopic glass slide होता है, you can discard that in the blue. Cytotoxic waste, metallic body implant, as well as contaminated glasses including medicine vials. These are to be safely disposed in the blue color beans. So these are some of the color beans, and finally we will discuss about the black color bean or the black color plastic bag. So general waste should be discarded or should be disposed in the black color dustbin or black color bean or black color plastic bag. So these are some of the color coded beans which is designated by the CPBC यानी Central Pollution Control Board. तो ये होता है आप लोग का बायोमेडिकल वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट. उसको ट्रीट कैसे किया जाता है? ट्रीटमेंट वी यूज वेरियस मेथड्स. For example, autoclaving, microwaving, hydroclaving, chemical treatment, there incineration. There are various methods where we can safely discard this hospital waste. So this is whole total about the hospital waste which is generated from the hospitals. I hope you like this video. अगर आप लोग चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिए, क्योंकि आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा इस मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नीशियन के वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ सिलेबस, आप लोगों को MCQ फॉर वैकेंसीज. तो चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लीजिए. वीडियो पसंद आ रहा है लाइक करना मत भूलना. और आप लोग मेरे साथ कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो तो इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक जो है इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, आप लोग मुझे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. कोई भी डाउट हो रहा है कमेंट कर सकते हो. आप लोग कुछ सजेस्ट करना चाहते हैं चैप्टर MCQ, चैप्टर वाइज MCQ, इसके बारे में आप लोग मेरे को कमेंट करके बता सकते हो. ठीक है, फिर मिलते हैं इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर. तब तक के लिए इस वीडियो को अच्छे से देखते रहिए. थैंक यू.